One quiet afternoon, a young girl named Lara went for a walk in the forest. She loved walking in the woods. The trees were tall and the birds sang sweet songs. It was peaceful, and Lara felt happy when she was surrounded by nature. But today, something was different. As she walked deeper into the forest, she saw something strange. There was a tree with a large hole in the middle. The hole looked like a door and it was dark inside. Lara was curious. She had walked past this tree many times before, but she had never seen the hole. Lara walked closer to the tree. She bent down to look inside. She could see nothing but blackness. The hole looked big enough for her to fit through. She thought, what if I go inside? What if I find something interesting? But she was also a little scared. But if there was something dangerous inside the tree, Lara stood for a moment thinking. She remembered the stories her grandmother had told her about the forest. The forest is full of mysteries. Her grandmother would say some of them are good and some are not so good. But Lara was brave. She decided to see what was inside the hole. Slowly she crouched down and reached her hand into the darkness. It felt cold, but it wasn't scary. She took a deep breath and crawled inside. The hole was bigger than she thought. It seemed like a small tunnel. Lara crawled and crawled until she came to the end. When she stood up, she found herself in a small secret place. It was beautiful. The ground was soft and the air smelled sweet. There were flowers of all colors. Some of them were blue, others were purple, and some were red. They grew in every corner of the little space. In the middle, there was a small pond with clear, sparkling water. Lara smiled. She had never seen such a lovely place before. As she walked closer to the pond, Lara noticed something strange. The water the pond was moving. It was as if something was swimming underneath. Lara knelt down to look closer, but there was nothing in the water. Then she heard a soft voice. It came from behind her. Lara turned around quickly, but no one was there. Who is there? She called out, her voice trembling a little. There was no answer, but the voice came again, this time more clearly. You are in the secret grove. It said. Lara's eyes widened in surprise. The secret grove. She had never heard of it before. Suddenly, Lara saw a small glowing creature in front of her. It was like a tiny, shining bird, but it didn't have wings. Instead, it floated in the air, glowing like a little light. The creature spoke again. You have found the secret grove, it said in a soft voice. Not many people find this place. It is hidden, and only those who are curious and brave can discover it. Lara felt both amazed and a little scared. What is this place? She asked. This is a magical place, the glowing creature replied. It is a secret of the forest. It is where the trees and the flowers come alive. Here you can make a wish, and if your heart is pure, your wish may come true. Lara's eyes sparkled. She had always wanted to know if magic was real. Can I make a wish? She asked eagerly. The creature nodded. Yes, but be careful. Wishes are powerful. Think carefully about what you ask for. Lara closed her eyes and thought for a moment. She wanted something special, something that would make the world a better place. Finally, she whispered a wish that everyone who visits the forest will protect it and care for it so it stays beautiful forever. The creature smiled and the light around it grew brighter. Your wish is good, Lara. It said it will come true. With that, the glowing creature slowly faded away. Lara stood still, feeling a warm feeling in her heart. She knew that something important had just happened. After a few moments, Lara decided it was time to leave. She crawled back through the hole in the tree and found herself back in the forest. The sun was beginning to set, casting a soft golden light over the trees. As she walked home, Lara smiled to herself. She had discovered something magical today, and she knew that the forest would always be a special place for her. From that day on, visited the forest often, always looking for new mysteries and wonders. She knew that the secret grove was waiting for someone brave and curious just like her.